Welcome back to Over the Hill Yackers, the channel where staying active never gets old. Summer may be winding down, but there's still time to soak up the sunshine and enjoy the great outdoors. Today, we're sharing end-of-summer adventures you can try before fall arrives. Picture this. Instead of spending your last summer weekends indoors with chores or screens, you get outside and come home refreshed, energized, and smiling. Sound good? Let's dive into some fun ways to make the most of the season before cooler weather sets in. 1. Nature walks. Take a gentle walk through your favorite park or trail. With the late summer greenery in full bloom, you'll enjoy fresh air, stress relief, and maybe even catch the first hints of fall colors. 2. Kayaking or paddleboarding. Summer's warm water is perfect for a peaceful paddle. Whether you're kayaking on calm lakes or trying paddleboarding, being on the water is a refreshing way to relax and get a light workout at the same time. Hey, quick pause. Thank you so much for watching Over the Hill Yackers. If you know someone who would benefit from simple, low-impact outdoor adventures, please share this channel with them. And while you're here, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next outdoor inspiration. 3. Cycling scenic trails. End of summer is a great time for cycling. Trails are often less crowded, the air feels a little cooler, and every ride gives your heart and lungs a healthy boost while you take in the changing scenery. 4. Picnic hikes. Combine light hiking with a simple picnic. Pack fresh fruit, sandwiches, and a blanket. It's an easy way to enjoy nature, bond with family or friends, and make the day feel like a mini getaway. So here's your list of end-of-summer adventures. A nature walk, a paddle on the water, a scenic bike ride, or a picnic hike. 4 easy, fun ways to enjoy the last sunny weekends of the season. Which one of these adventures will you try before fall? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this video gave you some inspiration, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Over the Hill Yackers, and share it with a friend who loves the outdoors. Thanks again for being part of our community here at Over the Hill Yackers, where staying active never gets old. Make the most of these last summer days, and remember, every outdoor adventure, big or small, is a step toward a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay safe, stay active, and we'll see you back outdoors. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting new physical activities, especially if you have existing health conditions.